today, bro?
What's up, man? So we're putting springs on the BMW. We're installing the H&R's lower springs. Should give it about a 2.5 inch, 3 inch drop. Just wrapping up the fronts right now. So BMWs have a different way of removing the whole strut. In fact, I had to lower the top, pull everything down, and come out this way. Instead of like standard, just pull out the whole shock assembly out of the car because it won't fit with the stock springs. So what people usually do, drop the top and pull it this way out towards the outer fender, and that's how you pretty much remove it. Yep, everything's all installed. I'm just bolting everything up. Make sure everything's all tight. Notice too, BMWs have a ton of electronics.
Sensors?
Yep, a bunch of sensors.
That's the thing with BMWs, guys.
So you gotta be careful of that. You don't wanna break any one of these because it's gonna be pretty pricey.
So again, guys, we recommend professionals in doing installations for suspension like Jesse. Jesse has experience. So dealing with BMW, guys, BMW has a lot of sensors. So you really have to know what you're doing. So if you guys are looking to upgrade your suspension, hit us up. Jesse can assist you with the suspension upgrades. And again, today he's doing installation for the front suspension with H&R springs. So BMW, what model is this, bro?
What model is it? 435.
It's a 435. So BMW 435i, upgrading to H&R rolling springs. Here are the stock springs.
So this one, it's shorter too. With H&R's, it's a bit shorter, but the springs are a lot stiffer.
Okay.
Compensates for like how low it goes.
Alright guys, stay tuned for more content. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be sure to follow Jesse. And hit us up. Peace.
Notice the top, I don't like using impacts
Okay.
to tighten it because these could easily get stripped. So
It's recommended to hand tighten it?
Yeah, just like pretty much use your hand tools to do it, not an impact. Because I've seen a lot of guys use impacts on these and stripping it. Because these are very fragile right here. So once these crack, it'll crack like a whole piece since it's all casted.
Oh.